Wow.
How neat is that?
Okay, open something else. Oh, a doctor kit.
A doctor.
You get to play doctor.
That'll be fun. Well, you got more presents to open.
Oh.
In the box. Yeah. Mail. There you go. Tear it off there.
Buddy, will you reach over and turn on that lamp?
After you open your other toys.
We'll have to get that aired up.
Yeah. Okay, see what else you got in there?
I think you just got one more. Somebody help me.
Here, you want to look at your books while I get this out?
Yeah.
See what the books you got.
That's all. Put that back in there.
I can put one trash in that box. What you got to do with lamb?
Toy box. No.
What is there?
Well, I really hope you did not pay this much for this.
And
You won't get it.
say thank you for the necklace.
Thank you for the necklace. Beautiful.
Hot Wheels. Wow. Yeah, that's going to be fun, isn't it?
Look up here.
Put the paper in the box.
Aiden, look up here at Grandma and say, thank you, Grandma and Grandpa King. Say it.
Say it.
And Granddad.
And Granddad.
Yeah. They think you some nice
Say, I
presents,
love
right?
you. Look at Oma. Look at Oma and say it. Aiden.
Here, this one. Look at Oma.
Aiden, look at, look.
Look at Oma. Well, I'll air it up for you. I can blow it up.
Aiden, look at Oma.
What?
Do you like your toys?